Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am eating an absolute mammoth meal. This Chris cooked from scratch. Now, are you ready guys? Because this is kind of, Now, are you ready guys? Because this is going to be quite long-winded. Fuck! Now, are you ready guys? Because this is going to be quite long-winded. So what we have here, we have some honey roasted parsnips, roast potatoes, sprouts with chestnuts and pine nuts, and pine nuts. We have porchetta, it's called. It's like belly pork with homemade stuffing that Chris made, which is pork, apricots and pine nuts, I think. We have homemade onion pudding, homemade creamy mashed potatoes with full fat cream, heavy cream and butter. And then we have some red cabbage. So I'm going to get into it. There's so much food here. Oops. I'm so hungry. Oh my God. Can't not have the mayo. So how have you guys been? Oh, also cauliflower cheese as well, guys. Can you see? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, and we also have tender steamed broccoli with tender stem, I think it's called, with some pancetta. So there's so much here, guys. So you might have noticed a different background. This is the first video of 2020, guys. Guys, I'm going to put this back in the microwave. It's not cold. Oh. Right, I'm back, guys. It wasn't hot enough because there's so much food here. It wasn't hot enough, so let's try again. That's better. I'm so excited for this, guys. So let's have a bit of the belly pork. There we go, guys. Forgot to add, he also put some fennel in the stuffing. He's honestly a gourmet chef. It's really, it's unbelievable actually, guys. The amount of food we have left from Christmas. It's actually unreal, guys. It really is. This one says obs, baby. So yeah, the amount of food we have is unreal. Also, guys, I have my extensions back. I'm sorry, but that hair, it was good. The hair was nice, but the short hair, but it's just not me. This mashes everything. So yeah, I got my extensions back. I feel myself. There's so much food here, guys. I've gone mad. Oh my God. Yes. You are right, guys. Everyone needs a Chris. I'm so lucky. We had the best time last night. So today is the 2nd of January. Can't believe it. Onion pudding. And we also have some chipolatas as well, guys. It's like It's like finding, like, it's like a treasure chest, isn't it? Where you just find more food. So yeah, my mum and my stepdad came around yesterday. So good. Do you have New Year's Day in America? I'm not sure. But yesterday was New Year's Day, which is the day after New Year's Eve. And it's a public holiday. Wow. These potatoes are cooked in goose fat. This is just gourmet. It really is. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How lonely does the background look now? It doesn't feel the same, does it? It really doesn't. I need to do something with this backdrop. Maybe change it up a bit. I don't know what to do with it. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. So amazing. That's the stuffing, guys. Oopsie. I love it. God, I've got this. I've gone through this very fast, haven't I? I thought, oh my God, I must be hungry. This is a chestnut. I love chestnuts. We used to have chestnuts when I was living in Italy. Oh my God, this is so... So, did you do anything nice on New Year's Eve? What did you do? Did you go out? Did you go drinking? Did you go to a party? What did you do? I would love to know. You know what I did, guys? I spent all night making TikToks. I am addicted to TikTok. I absolutely love it. And I was just doing videos all night. I'll leave my TikTok in the description box, but if you go to my community tab, my TikTok is on there. I love it. This potatoes are amazing. Didn't do anything, we just stayed in, watched the fireworks. Stayed up for a bit, and then went to bed, guys. But I just don't like going out on New Year's Eve because everyone's an idiot. Like, I just feel everyone's just too much. You spend so much money, and it's just not worth it. Like, for one night. And you know, watching the fireworks at 12. Well, that's all well and good, but when you get there, you can't even see because everyone's just like in a massive crowd. So you can't see the bell. The clock strike 12. Pointless. But I would like to go out next year maybe for a few drinks. Maybe just to the Minster. But I'm full. Oh my God. I've done really well actually, guys. Quite shocked. But guys, we have so much food. Unbelievable. We have so much party food left because me and Chris, we had a kind of a little spread on New Year's Eve. We bought everything, so we've got some left. I don't know if you want me to do a kind of a party food mukbang. I don't know, but I was saying to Chris this year, it's time to kind of get myself. You know, I was talking about it on my live. Time to cut the cheese, cut the mayo, just get healthy. Obviously, I'll still be doing mukbangs, but maybe not as many. Because I just don't want to be doing, you know, like feeling rubbish about myself. Not worth the mukbangs. It's not worth feeling crap. I want to feel good in New Year's. Apparently, in New Year, the fruit and vegetables go up because everyone's on a diet. I think that's crazy, but it doesn't surprise me, to be honest. I'm full now, guys. So yeah, this is the new year now. You know, well, I'm not doing resolutions, so I can never stick to them. 2020 is here. And we're still not flying. I thought by now we would have been flying on the moon, or there'd have been some extraterrestrial kind of, you know, things out there, but there's still nothing there. So I'm just excited for what this year's got to bring. It doesn't feel any different though, does it? Let's be honest, guys. Everyone goes on about New Year's Eve was like the best, you know, fresh starts. Well, no, because you've got to do it. It doesn't matter what year it is. It's all just an incentive, isn't it? Anyway, guys, I'm going to now move on to pudding. And Chris has made a lemon posset with, fuck, I always mess it up when I'm talking. Chris has made, well, I'll show you actually. Let me move this. So Chris has made homemade shortbread with lemon posset. Posset? So I'm going to show you guys because, oh God, it's so amazing. We had this last night. Oh, is it moving? This is the shortbread. So I'm going to get into it, guys. This is honestly to die for. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's too much. Oh my God, guys. I can't take it. This is absolutely incredible. There's lemon rinds in this. Oh my God, guys. No words. Almost tastes like it's store-bought. Go on. Incredible. This is something it's something extraordinary, out of the unknown. I'm not joking, guys. Oh, wow. No words. It's zingy, creamy, buttery. I'm talking about the Posset. It's got bits of lemon in it. If you don't know what Posset is, it's almost like a lemon custard, but it's not too sweet. It's zingy. It's incredible, guys. Incredible. Mmm. Mmm. I'm stuffed. Wow. Incredible, guys. So I'm going to wrap up the video now, but I just wanted to kind of say to you how amazing you all are. I'm so cheesy, but it's true. And how excited I am for this new year of mukbangs, videos. I have review videos, sponsorships. I have so much. And we're just getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Can you see me with this or not? And I just really want to thank you for everything you've done. And I know I keep going on about this, but I just feel like I have a purpose with YouTube. And I feel so happy that you're with me on this journey. Oh, shit. I need to show you something, guys. I have a Christmas card that my subscriber sent me. I won't be a second. I'll just go get it. Oh, I nearly forgot. So, guys, what do you think of my hair? Ow. It's long, isn't it? Absolutely love it, guys. So, anyway, so Christmas is over, but I don't know if this girl lives in America or England. It didn't say on the letter, but anyway, so I've received a card from her, and look at the card, guys. It stands up like this. It opens up. It's so cute. And it says, "Dear Fabio, all the best for the new year, darling, and I hope you have a great Christmas. Congratulations on all your YouTube success. You are a sensation. Lots of love, Ashley." That is so amazing, guys. I am so happy for this card and so thankful. I can't actually believe it. I've put the card on my mantelpiece above the fireplace, and I'm just so lucky to have you in my life, Ashley. You're an amazing, amazing person, and I thank you so much for watching my channel. And this means so much to me. It really, really, really does. And, you know, this card is coming good timing because you're talking about the new year, and it's a new year. So, honestly, guys, I love you so much, Ashley, and I love every single one of you. And thank you for everything that you've sent me. I appreciate every single one of you and your gifts and your cards. And this just means the world to me, guys, because without you guys, I wouldn't have a channel. So anyway, I'm going to go now, but thank you, Ashley, for this beautiful card. And I hope you've had an amazing Christmas and an amazing New Year. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye, guys.